Hi, I'm Paige, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to finish a seam with a serged edge. And you can do that either with a serger or with your sewing machine. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and then after that tutorial I'll show you an example and reasons why you might use that. Let's get right into it. To create an open serged seam, you're going to serge the edges of the fabric ahead of time. You can do that on your serger or on your sewing machine with a zigzag stitch or an overcast stitch. So you'll do that ahead of time, and then you'll put your pieces of fabric together and stitch as normal and press it open. Or you can stitch the seam first and then serge both pieces together and press them to one side. This one, it lays a little bit flatter than the one where it's pressed all on one side. That's how you do a serged finish on a seam two different ways. And I have two different examples to show you, and I'll explain why I used these two different methods. So for the first example, I have the side seam of this dress, and I use the one where the serged edges are open on each side and not serged together. And the reason why I did that is because there's a pocket, and right here where this side seam is, the pocket is open because it's a hidden pocket. So I'm not going to stitch the two layers together along the entire seam, and so it's going to be separate the whole way. And then the side seam on these pants, the pocket right here is done by a different method, and so it's not open on the side. It's open on the front right here. So I can stitch this entire seam together and then just serge both of the edges together at one time. And that's how you use both of those different seam finishes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below, and you can also click subscribe and the bell alert next to it to be notified anytime that I post a video. Until next time, go get creative and make something that you love. Bye!